Alright everybody, just your average bowler here. I'm about to try Haunted Ghost Pepper Packy Chips. Here we go. Alright.
As you keep eating it, it sneaks up on you. Like, it just gradually gets worse.
Wow!
Yeah.
Merry Christmas!
Man! Oh, and swallowing is so much worse. Trish, show the back. It's going in my vlog, you know that, right?
I have Chipotle. I'm not eating a ghost pepper.
Are you sure?
Busted through. Oh man! They just.
Are you sure you don't want to try it?
Should I try it?
I cannot even eat this whole. It's just half a chip. I can't even eat the other half.
No, that messed my stomach up.
Woo!
Oh my god, what is happening?
It's like, for the last 3 minutes.
Nervous she gets some more.
Come on, one more.
That's it. That's it. There's no more.
She's still doing it.
Oh, that was wet.
Oh, you almost farted?
Yeah.
Please fart, please, please. While the camera's rolling, on camera because it's gonna be on YouTube.
I got one for you.
But I'm not gonna do that in this enclosed space.
Welcome to the ant farm, boys and girls. Someone like echoed.
Yeah, I was gonna say, don't hurt yourself at this point.
She keeps saying that's it, and then she does it. It's like a loop. That's it. Oh wait, no, I forgot the song's on repeat.
Nobody caught that.
That was it, for real. That was the last one.
Nobody caught that. I coughed, there was so much noise. No one could hear me.
You farted?
There you go, folks. Does it stink? No, stop. Ew, Trish. Oh my god. Shit. That was shit. Oh my god. Hey guys, I'm not the one burping or farting. That's her.
I dare you to spray her.
I'm trying. Stand up. Shut the door.
I'm trying to let it air out.
No. Oh god.
Oh my god, it's gonna make it smell worse.
Shut the door.
I'm airing it out.
Look at her. And that's the face of someone who just farted.
After 5 minutes of you burping.
Nobody asked you to shart. Like,
She didn't start.
she did. Brown stain.
No.
That's poop. She said,
She didn't sit on chocolate.
she wants you to think it's chocolate, but it's not.
She's crying. It's so perfect.
Stopping.
This is gonna be my entire vlog, by the way.
How old are we? How old are we?
Oh, that tastes like cheesecake.
Like, honestly, I thought we were gonna leave it at cheese, but then the cake came out. Oh, stop!
I thought you were gonna barf.
I almost did, right on the camera. That
Oh,
would
that
have
would
been good footage. That would have been good footage. Just kidding.
You gotta be kickboxing.
No, you look like you're dying.
Oh, so I'll see myself?
Yep.
Oh my god, give me your channel.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see us do next.
Well, I won't be here anymore.
It's okay. We know where he lives.
Oh, okay, cool.
Well,
We don't know where he lives. He knows
we
where
can
I
make
live.
some challenge videos.
Okay. Like what?
I'm getting a phone call from
No.
my pimp. Oh, what? Yeah.
What's our boss?
Okay.
Pimpin'.
Or both of their dads are cute. Spicy.
What if they see this video?
Awkward.
Hi. To really do challenge videos like baby food eating videos
Ew.
or
I guess
what's
that's
in the
like-
cup challenge, you know?
Or what's in the diaper challenge?
What's in her diaper challenge? Clearly.
I didn't
Pan
sure.
back over here.
I
Ah! Oh, what was that?
Assault! Assault with an empty...
Oh, my neck. My neck, I need workers' comp.
No!
didn't. There was another one.
You just farted again?
Ew. You did. No, you didn't.
Damn chips. Look, guys.
Baby. Baby.
It's these damn ghost pepper chips.
Yeah, they're making you fart, Trish.
It says on the ingredients, comes with fart powder.
Fart.
Yeah, it's called spicy.
Fart powder from Texas. Pumpkin. Fart powder from Texas, pumpkin. The BBQ, the Animal Farm, and the Hey! Is that your jacket? He looked at me, so I screamed back. Pumpkin.
Oh no.
Oh,
Oh no.
turn the camera on yourself.
Oh gosh. Oh man.
What?
I had the hiccups.
That's what you get, pumpkin.
You're the one making me laugh. Oh. Oh. You look exhausted from all the burping.
You think, oh God. When you have a homework assignment due at 6 o'clock, but you want to go out and party, so you're rethinking your situation.
Your priorities.
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 Yeah, I totally agree.
God,
Totally
if he looks anything like him,
Oh, he already
like
does.
right now he's cute. Like the little boy, not the father. The little boy's cute.
Yeah.
Now wait until you see him 20 years from now. My God.
As long as he doesn't blow up like a freaking potato.
I feel like it's because his mom is kind of pretty, so he's gonna be.
Hopefully her genes save him.
They saving him right now. You know whose dad is also very weird?
Oh yeah.
So is his children and his ex-wife.
I like the daughter, but everybody else in the family is kind of odd.
Very odd.
Should we just call him Zeus? Because apparently he's
Yes.
sleeping around.
Yes. Oh my God, let me tell you the tea, sis. He got 3 other kids from a different woman. Maybe 2.
We'll just call him Zeus.
Yeah, he's a little... No wonder he drives that big car. He needs all those rows of seats. That makes so... Oh my God, who was that? Oh, that wasn't my PM. Before, Jesus. Before that, he talks about me all the time.
About what?
I don't know, but his parents are getting a divorce, so it is what it is. It is what it is.
I tell you what, Sade, you do have the personality to be like a TV personality.
Because it is what it is.
And that could be
Welcome
your-
back to Sade's Closet. Today we have Farty McGee, Hiccup Harry, which is Matt. Do you use your real name?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, okay. And you have me.
Okay, and what's today's topic? Well, it sounds like...
Sis gossip.
And action. We got these from...
We got these from our job of place, and they came with all of these, but guess what?
What?
None of them have glue in them.
Nuh-uh.
Yes!
Open one up.
I opened it this morning.
Open one up. Open one up.
Prove it.
No glue. See, it's purple.
That's
Glue.
That's glue.
Glue comes purple?
Yes.
Yeah, that's purple glue.
I thought this was like some like heroin or something.
What? No.
It's time to go.
It's time to go.
You thought that was heroin?
No, like some drugs or something, because I've never seen purple glue. Sis.
It's time to
Hold
go.
on, I need to give one
She
of these
farted, and she doesn't want to claim it, but that's it.
I didn't deny it. I just said I wasn't the one that burped for 5
I
minutes.
bet you have poop on the back of your pants. She scared me. Go. Go. And that is it, folks. Tune in next time. Just tell me, what am I going to do?
Can you repeat that, please? Good afternoon, YouTube. Admittedly, this is the worst possible schedule for me. The way that my other job works right now, I mean the one that's aside from the county, I have to be at work at 6, then I only work until about 9:15, and then I have about 5.5 to 6 hours in between. I don't really call it a break because, I mean, there really is so much more that I could be doing in between that time, but I can't because I'm very, very sleepy, very tired, so I end up spending a lot of that time sleeping. And then I go back to work around 3 o'clock and I work until 6:30, so I actually came to a very tough decision to quit this job. I have decided to just invest fully in the county and just finish out the rest of the school year subbing. I am so mentally and physically drained. I have a schedule that I just cannot get used to. Crockpot queso right there.
Is this for your vlog?
Yes.
Yep.
And we'll see Sade's reaction.
You want to taste it, Molly? Oh my god, it smells spicy.
I told you.
Is it spicy?
It reminds, the texture reminds me of Chipotle's.
Is it spicy?
We'll see.
Is it spicy?
Oh my god!
I warned you.
You see a little spicy, right?
No, that's a lot of spicy!
But I can handle it.
Oh, it gets worse when I need water.
I'll try it.
No, Miss Molly, that's so
I do a
hot.
lot of spicy stuff. Let me see
She's
how
still eating it.
spicy
Yay, now I'm gonna try the queso.
Oh, it's spicy for you.
Ha!
Yeah, can I just put it in the
Ha! Good afternoon, everybody. Today was the last day at one of my jobs, and a huge weight has been lifted off my shoulders finally. I am done, completely over it all. I will definitely have a little more time to move on to much bigger and much better things, I hope. No, you know what? No, I'm not gonna be negative anymore. I'm sick of saying I hope or I wish or maybe this, maybe that. No, forget it. So I am gonna be as positive as I possibly can. It is very snowy today. Once again, the forecast got it wrong. They had been saying all week long that it was gonna be nothing but rain today, and we have at least an inch or so of snow. Another thing I'm over and done with right now is winter. It's been a fabulous winter. I definitely love this winter. We had at least a couple handfuls. Wow, I'm a teacher, I should know this. Whatever. We've gotten a decent number of snow days. We used a good number of them, and I won spring. Monday's supposed to be 61 degrees, and I am excited about that. Bring spring, bring spring, bring spring. Hey, I hope everyone has had a fabulous Friday, and I am ready for the weekend. The weather's still gonna be crappy, but we're supposed to have at least one good day, and that's gonna be tomorrow. One day in which we have no precipitation. I would love to go inside the barrel. In that barrel? Sorry, I'm gonna vlog just very quickly. She doesn't want to be in the vlog today, that's fine. You what?
I think you're responsible.
Right. Responsible, what is that? So this is called a wine and Girl Scout cookie pairing. So we're gonna do a wine tasting, and we're going to pair the wine with these cookies. So 5 wines, and we have to rate them on a scale from 1 to 5. Alrighty, this is Sauvignon Blanc, and we are going to pair it with what you call it, the Savannah Smile?
Yeah, the lemony cookie.
A lemony cookie, alright, here we go. Oh man. Oh, to the nose is great. Wow. Very, very smooth finish. Oh yeah. Oh, they pair perfectly well with each other. Alright, 4 stars out of 5. Indeed, the perfect summer wine. Okay, this next one is called the Tariga, and it is pairing with the Thin Mint.
Smell it. Very.
On the nose, it's chocolatey or rich, you said? Oh yeah. Clears the nasal passages. Let's see if it clears the palate as well. Cheers. Woohoo, that is nice. This is a 5-star pairing. We have 3 more cookies left. Really, really love this bottle display. Alright, this is called the Tawny, and it's going to pair with the shortbread cookie.
Woo!
What was the woo for?
It's very chocolatey.
Very sweet. Very, very sweet on the nose. Ooh. I'll take the first taste. Oh yeah, very sweet wine. I don't think that it really pairs with the shortbread cookie that well. I don't know, that's just me. You say yes, I still say no. Haha, she made it in. Making very stupid, nonsensical jokes, but in my defense, I only had a soup for lunch, so I'm getting there. I'm already there, I think.
No, you're not.
No, I'm not there.
You're not there.
I'm not there, but I'm getting there. Pink meat right here. So I'm going... Hey, don't laugh at me. Don't laugh at me while I'm vlogging.
Sorry.
What the hell just flew out your mouth? Okay, back to me. So cheers. Nice. Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect pairing. Gloria, peer pressure. There's no such thing as positive peer pressure. So you are positively sure that you're peer pressuring me. Oh, okay. I love Lucy style. I love that. Gosh, on the finger with that knife right there. Right there. That is the murder weapon.
He was complaining. I had every right to stab him.
Wow. Okay, future murderer.
Make sure Annalise Keating is my lawyer.
So we are at the Cab Franc right now, and I'm filming at this angle so she doesn't stab me again. Hey! So here we go, Cab Franc, everybody. Gloria, oh my god, I think we're going down the whole list.
We are.
It's just a classic tasting though. Why are we going down the whole list?
It's a bonus. Don't complain.
I'm not complaining. And this is the last one. It is about 20%.
You know what it smells like? It smells like the mulled wine you get at Christmas time.
Oh, really?
It's nicely spiced.
Let's see.
Not
Wow.
Like, not like over the head, but like, you know, it's gonna be like you're gonna be chewing a nice, or drinking in this case, a stick of Big Red chewing gum.
Wow.
I'm excited.
By the way, I did not eat any of these olives. They have pits in them. I cannot do pits.
He's just pitiful.
Get it? Pit? Pitiful? Terrible, terrible, terrible joke.
Hey! Hashtag fart noise.
Exactly. And
Hashtag.
baby. Oh, it's nice to be out in fresh air. Ah,
As opposed to what kind of air?
I don't know.
Recycled air?
I guess.
Okay. Off
Sinistral, here we go. We're gonna have a nightcap or a day cap, I guess.
Day cap. Having a day cap. You are?
Yes, I am having a day cap.
Such a lightweight.
I really am. Yeah, because I'm gonna need an afternoon nap.
No nap.
Excuse you, yes, a nap.
No nap.
Yes!
No. No nap.
Maybe not for you, but definitely for me.
No. No. Weak sauce.
What is wrong with me? What is wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
I don't know. Lots of things. Okay, look both ways before we cross the train track.
You're the only weirdo vlogging. You know that, right?
I know. All right, everyone, we are at Sinistral. We are having our, well, not necessarily nightcap, but day cap. Gloria's like, I'm the only weirdo vlogging right now. Yes, that's
You are.
very, very true. So, all right, we're just gonna hang out, chill out, enjoy the rest of our afternoon, and all right, guys. Well, thank you all for tuning in. Huh?
Plancha.
Thank you all for tuning in, and I will catch you next time. All right, bye.